Guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful colorful crochet hats can be a fun and different addition to your wardrobe, and beautiful you can create colorful hats using variety crochet stitches and combination. Here are some ideas. Hats and style looks like different and beautiful styles, and color block hats cons- uh, combine contrasting or complementary color in this um, beautiful and latest blocks or section for a modern design. Flower applique hats crochet colorful flower and attach them to a solid colored hats for a playful and beautiful style. Transition from one color to another gradually and creating an ombre effect that's beautiful and visually appealing. When making colorful crochet hats, consider the stance and performance and the intent style. Whether it's playful, elegant, or casual, have fun experimenting with the colorful variety combination to eye-catching and unique hats. So guys, please keep sharing and watching my video and see these videos till the end.